इंडिया का सबसे अननोटिस्ड कार चैनल कौन सा है? हमारा। आज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन लास्ट 1 ईयर हमारे पेज में सुबह सुबह कोई पोस्ट नहीं आया, वेदर इज फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम। वी डिडंट पोस्ट एनीथिंग बिकॉज आज सर्ब ऑटोमोटिव का 1 साल पूरा हो गया। आज से पूरे 365 दिन पहले I started this channel to provide the car content that everybody needs, whether it's car hacks, car art, news, blogs, everything. This video is going to be a different one. This video is raw. It is not scripted and it comes straight from my heart. Hello guys. My name is Shivam Biswas and this is the journey of my failures till now. I know, we have completed 1 year and this should be a happy event. It is. We came all the way through. But in this last 1 year, I've also faced a lot of difficulties. There have been small ups and a lot of downs. And the downs were deadly. 14th July 2020. I had this idea of Serb Automotive in my mind around 4 to 6 months before that. It is supposed to be a car service startup. But since it was locked down and everything was stopped, we decided to grow socially, to provide content, to rule the content space. But things didn't go as I expected. Today we have 414 posts in our account and only 191 followers. I know it's crazy depressing when you work so hard. There are 365 days a year and we have 414 posts. And just having 191 followers is a bit depressing. I had a diary in which I used to write all the posts. When I started the page, there was nothing which can provide me the content. So I created all the content myself. I searched the web, I got the information that I needed, and I used to write the captions manually. I still have that diary where I used to write the posts. The next morning, I used to type the whole thing. हमने इस पेज में बहुत कुछ किया. Whether it's car tips, car hacks, knowledge about cars, motorsports knowledge, traffic rules, news, and what not. एक भी चीज नहीं था जिसको हमने नहीं छोड़ा. Okay, except car memes. Car memes is a thing that we didn't touch upon. Because this was supposed to be a knowledge-based channel. So in the last 1 year, I thought growing socially would be easy. But it was not. The lack of a strong team, the lack of a core team is the thing that haunts me. A team is a thing that I need the most. I'm not saying that I don't have a team. I have 2 members, well, apparently 1 member in the team right now who writes the blogs. But apart from that, there's no one else. And getting a team is really difficult for me. I went to a lot of people. I presented my idea to them. I convinced them to join me. I still do that. And I will keep doing that in the future. I won't stop convincing people to join me. But nobody joined. Nobody. Every single week of the evening, I either gather all the information, I write the scripts, I shoot videos, I post them, and the other person I have, he writes the Sunday blogs. And this is how it has been going since the last 1 year. Every day I posted content. Some days it went even 3 posts a day. Difficult, right? In January 2021, I thought of generating some revenue. I thought of a way to generate some revenue which I can invest, reinvest in the business. That is why I started a clothing line called Sarvastra. You can check out the Instagram page. Sarvastra has around 80 to 90 products, and it is a legit business. You can go to our site, book a product, and it will go to your home. You will actually get the product. But till date, we couldn't sell anything. Our sales from January, this is the second half of the year, and the sales we did was 0. When everything fails around you like this, sometimes it feels like maybe you're not made for this. Maybe you don't belong in this space. But then the hope of, one day things will change. Maybe today is not the time for us, but one day it will be. I know what will I do in the next 5 years, 10 years. I know what I'm supposed to do. Everything is in my mind. But I don't know whether it will be successful or not, but I know what to do. And throughout this whole journey, the only thing that I have in myself is faith. Faith is the only thing that I have in myself, and that is the only thing that keeps me going. Very few, or just 1 or 2% to support this whole thing. It has been difficult. But I know this is how we move on. Maybe one day people will join me. People will be happy to join me. I don't know when is that. It may take another year, another 3 year, 5 year. I don't know. I just know one thing, that I will not stop. I will keep going no matter what. People may join me, people may leave. There will be ups and downs. Well, most of the things that I've done till now are mostly downs, but there will be ups as well. And I'm just waiting for that. I'm working towards that. I'm working towards that upward curve. The highest view that we have got on this channel was in one video, and it went up to 16.6 thousand views. The others around 100 to 200. And I'm sure that this video will get hardly 40 to 50 views. 60 at most, but not more than that. In Facebook, it'll be even lower. And on YouTube, even lower. Very few of my friends out there who have subscribed to our channel, who have signed up in our site, who watch our videos. Very few friends. Very few. I will not share this video. I will not share this video to anyone. I will simply post it. If you like this video, now that's a very, generic thing to say, but if you like this video, if you want to help us, support us anyway, you can share this video. If there's anyone who wants to join us, if there's anyone, this is a full-fledged startup. We will be doing great things in the upcoming years. And if there's anyone who wants to join us, I'm open to collaborate. I'm not asking you anything. I'm not asking you to invest money or something like that. There's only 2 things that I need from you. Just 2 things. Your mind and your time. These are the 2 things that you can give me. And I can promise you just one thing. I'm not a superhuman to promise you a lot of things, but I can promise you one thing. And I can surely promise you that you won't hate your job. You won't. If you are still watching till now, thank you for being with me. Thank you for seeing this video till the end. I'm really grateful to have such viewers like you. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends. And if you feel that anyone can join us, or if you can join us as well, just go to the page and ping me. This was Shibam Biswas. This was a story of my failures. And I'm telling you again, I will not stop no matter what. If our views go to 0, if people start unfollowing us, I will not stop. Serve Automotive will not stop, and we will keep on going forever. Thank you.